Bitcoin has finally hit $100,000. But the real question isn't what just happened, it's what happens next. Is this the moment to buy, sell, or hold? Stick with me, because in today's video, we're breaking down exactly how to profit from this historic milestone and what's coming in the next wave of crypto. Bitcoin reaching $100,000 is a milestone many believed was inevitable, but few could have predicted the path it took to get here. Let's be clear, this isn't just a price point, it's a signal. It shows the world is waking up to Bitcoin's power as a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a serious financial asset. Institutions, billionaires, and even governments are taking notice. But what does this mean for the rest of us? Well, for some, it's validation that crypto is here to stay. For others, it's a signal to jump in before the next wave of growth. And here's where things get interesting. Historically, every time Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, the market enters a phase of explosive activity, bringing both opportunities and risks. Do you think Bitcoin is just getting started, or are we at the peak? Let me know your prediction in the comments. Understanding what $100,000 represents isn't just about celebrating the milestone, it's about positioning yourself for what's next. To profit, you need a strategy. So, why has Bitcoin reached $100,000? It's not magic. There are concrete factors driving this rally. First, there's institutional adoption. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even PayPal have integrated Bitcoin into their operations. Hedge funds and pension funds are diversifying into crypto as a hedge against inflation. Then there's the global economic climate. Central banks are printing money like never before, driving down the value of traditional currencies. Bitcoin's fixed supply, only 21 million coins will ever exist, makes it the perfect alternative to fiat money that loses value over time. And let's not forget retail FOMO, fear of missing out. Every time Bitcoin reaches a new high, more everyday investors jump in, fueling the rally even further. Are you investing in Bitcoin because of FOMO, or do you have a long-term plan? Share your thoughts below. These drivers tell us one thing. Bitcoin's rise is no accident, but where there's hype, there's also risk. So let's talk about how you can profit while avoiding the pitfalls. With Bitcoin at $100,000, you're probably wondering, what's the smartest move right now? Here's how you can position yourself to profit, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. 1. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. This is one of the safest and most effective strategies. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount regularly, whether it's weekly or monthly. This reduces the risk of buying at a peak and spreads your investment over time. Many millionaires credit DCA as their secret weapon during Bitcoin's early growth stages. 2. Diversify. Within crypto, Bitcoin isn't the only crypto seeing gains. Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins have been riding this wave too. In fact, when Bitcoin surges, altcoins often follow. Consider diversifying into projects with strong fundamentals. For example, Ethereum is powering decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs, both of which are booming. 3. Take profits strategically. Here's a golden rule. Don't fall in love with your investments. If Bitcoin has doubled or tripled your initial investment, consider taking out your original investment or a portion of the profits. That way, you're playing with house money while still participating in future gains. 4. Explore passive income. Through crypto staking, yield farming, and lending are becoming popular ways to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Platforms like BlockFi and Celsius allow you to earn interest on your Bitcoin, while DeFi protocols let you stake coins for additional rewards. Have you tried staking or lending your crypto? Let me know how it's worked for you. By using these strategies, you're not just investing, you're building a portfolio designed to grow over time, regardless of market volatility. While the potential for profit is massive, let's be real. Bitcoin isn't without risks. The crypto market is notoriously volatile. Just because Bitcoin is at $100,000 today doesn't mean it can't drop to $80,000 tomorrow. Corrections happen, and they can wipe out unprepared investors. Then there's the risk of scams and hacks. With Bitcoin's rising popularity, bad actors are everywhere, from fake exchanges to phishing attempts. Always use reputable platforms, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. And finally, there's the regulatory risk. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate crypto. While some, like El Salvador, have embraced Bitcoin, others are cracking down. Regulatory changes could impact prices in the short term. What's your biggest concern about Bitcoin's future? Share your thoughts. I want to hear from you. Knowing these risks doesn't mean you avoid Bitcoin altogether. It means you invest wisely with a plan in place to protect your capital. So, where does Bitcoin go from here? Many experts believe $100,000 is just the beginning. Some predict Bitcoin could hit $200,000 or even $500,000 within the next few years, driven by increased adoption and limited supply. Others caution that we might see a pullback before the next major rally. Historically, Bitcoin has gone through boom and bust cycles, with sharp corrections following massive surges. But even in those downturns, the overall trend has been upward. The key takeaway? Bitcoin's future is bright, but it's a marathon, not a sprint. Whether it's $100,000, $200,000, or beyond, the best strategy is to stay informed, stay invested, and stay patient. Bitcoin hitting $100,000 is more than just a number. It's a moment in history. It shows how far crypto has come and hints at the limitless possibilities ahead. But what you do next matters. Will you play it safe, take calculated risks, or sit on the sidelines? So, what's your move? Are you buying, selling, or holding? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest updates on Bitcoin and the crypto market. Let's keep building wealth and making smart money moves together.